Hello everyone, welcome today. Yesterday on a Wednesday. It's Wednesday, July the 13th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Seven extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have two tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and one binary. Those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve, 4 of them. But first I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. 3 regular puzzles. The first one is a binary. Let me zoom this in. By the way, news of today. Yeah, always on Wednesday I will inform you how many days the war is in Ukraine. Well, day number 140. Yes, 140 days ago, the Russians started the war in Ukraine. So, yeah, 140 days. Well. Anyway, let me start with the first puzzle. The first puzzle is a binary number. Number 4842. Yeah, 42. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Then. Between 2 ones comes an O. And now. Well. Where's the opening? The opening. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Yeah. 3. 1, 2, 3. Double 1. Here no, there no. Overlooked. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Then Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. Think. Come on. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there a 1. Finish in 7 minutes. Great binary, and I like this one, yes, without any comparing. Yeah. If I can solve this, you can solve this too. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Sudoku Medium and the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.